Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be assembling this desk for my office space, which is right here. I decided to downsize and put it right here in the corner because I really don't need the entire room. But yeah, this is my living room. If you're new to my channel, I am in my living room right now, but I'm not going to show the entire space because I'm going to do like a reveal for this living room makeover. But I decided to go ahead and turn it back into my living room because it was my office. It was just, a big table in here. I was using a dining room table as my desk and it was just reserved as my office space. But I decided I want my living room to be my living room. It's the first room you see when you walk in the house. So I didn't want it to just be my personal office, and then I have an open floor plan so my dining room is also visible. And I just didn't like that feeling if we have like some kind of family event, or like if it's like a holiday and there's family here, you can just see right into my office because it's not closed. So yeah, I decided, you know what, let me just turn this back into my living room space with the office area right here in the corner, which is a mess right now because I took out all of my office supplies from the cabinet that I had over here, but I'm not going to show that area either. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and assemble my desk, get this console table out of here because I think I'm going to be putting this in the dining room. It was in my bedroom before. I was using it as my makeup vanity, but I don't think I want it back in there. I wasn't too comfortable with it as my makeup vanity either. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this little area in order.
me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution.
Alright, so I am putting on some mirrored knobs that I found at Home Goods because I don't like the ones that came with the desk. They're very basic, not cute at all, and I want my desk to be glamorous, so I'm just replacing them.
Much later.
That didn't work out. I had to get rid of it. I had to send it back because I was not in love with it, guys. I was gonna try to make it work. I even, left it for a few days to see if, I would fall in love with it. But it was too big. I didn't like the way it looked in the space, so I packed it up and I sent it back. UPS just came to pick it up, gave me my return label. But I did order a new desk and it's supposed to be here today. It's a mirrored desk, so I'm pretty excited about that. You guys know I love mirrors, so I guess I'll be assembling that one on camera. So yeah, I guess we'll see how this new desk works out because I just was not feeling the gray weathered desk. It was just too wide for the space, and I don't know why I didn't check the measurements before ordering. And there's nothing wrong with the desk as far as how it looks. It's a really pretty desk, but I just don't want it in this space. It's just not gonna work out for me. But we'll see how the new one, looks, if I like it more. I gave it a few days to make sure, I wasn't just tripping. The more I had it in the space, the more I didn't like it. So yeah. guys, so I have it assembled and I am loving it. I still need to put the knobs on, but it's really nice. I'm pretty excited right now. It's heavy and it was really easy to assemble actually. You only put the legs on and you're done. And these are the knobs that came with it. And I like them, crystal knobs. I don't have to, you know, use different ones. And it also has these like protectors so that you don't over tighten the screw and crack the glass. So that's really good. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's really good. I've never cracked the glass before because, you know, I don't over tighten my screws when it comes down to mirrored furniture. All right, good enough. Alright, so it looks good. Okay, let me put it in its place. Alright, so this is what the desk looks like, guys, and I am loving it. So now I have to go and just decorate this area. I'm not going to do that in this video because I'm not about to do that tonight, and I really do want to get this video out. I just wanted to assemble the furniture and, you know, record it since a lot of you guys like seeing me assemble furniture. But yeah, and I have this light here. This goes on the top of your monitor to give you extra light, and this was actually gifted to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on the screen and like the brightness and everything. But this is the box. It comes with the screen bar. It has your dimming controls here, and this part goes over your computer like this, and you're going to attach the light here, but this has a weight on it so it's not going to, like, you know, fall and break or anything. But yeah, let me put the light on it. Okay, so you have two cords. One goes in the back of the screen bar and the other one goes in the back of your computer. Oh wait, that's not how you do it. So you want to put this on first and then plug it in. Alright, so this is the controller for the light. So you have your light sensor here, and this here is your auto dimmer. So you just press it and it'll just, you know, automatically dim or brighten the screen bar. And then you have an indicator on this side. So this one is going to be for your brightness, and the second one is going to be for your hue. So if you switch it over, you just press this button here, which is your brightness and hue adjustment, depending on which one you're trying to control. So you just press it for brightness, press it again for the hue, and you just play around with the knob. You see how it's changing colors? And if you want to turn it off, you just press that in and turn it back on. So yeah, this is really nice. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'd be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.